What's up, guys? I'm making a Scam Busters video. I'm gonna be trading this thing that changes colors. Let's see if people are good or scammers. Let's go into a public. I hope we find scammers for content, but at the same time I don't. Does anybody want to trade? Does anybody want to trade?
Yo, Hobby, can you give me some money? I will trade. I'll trade.
You.
I'll trade.
I got it.
Yeah, for that gun. For that gun.
Yeah. Wait for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add you and join me.
What is this?
Wait, now I'm gonna join you.
Yo, dude, jump in there. Jump in there.
Yo.
Don't listen.
My name is Mr. Beast.
Why not?
Mr.
Watch.
Beast. Okay, accept me and go into a lobby. I'll join you.
What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell.
Yeah, funny. Okay, let's see if this guy's a scammer or not. My mouth is not moving for some reason. Yo, I'm in here. Hello? Bro? Can you hear me?
Bro. Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna drop at the same time. And run. Okay.
Right, drop. Go grab it.
Yo, thanks.
Thank you, homie. I appreciate it, man. I
No
appreciate it
problem.
for the trade, homie.
Yeah. Bye, dude.
Good trade.
It
Bye,
was.
homie. I'll see you next. I'll see you.
Looks like he wasn't a scammer. Let's go. And I got a gun. Wait, I'm gonna get ammo. Didn't this like have a special effect when you shoot? Yeah, coin. Don't you get it from here? Yeah. But like I said, that guy was not a scammer, so I'm gonna try to find somebody else. And I'm gonna be trading this thing. Join Rand. Let's go. I hope I find more people that are honest. Because it's fun to trade when people are honest. Yeah, does anybody want to trade? I can put ammo in here. Anybody want to trade? You.
Bro.
Yo, I got it.
You with the golden gun.
Follow
me, follow me.
Green.
Hello? I like none of them so much.
What?
Wait there. Does this outfit look good on me? Wait, hold on. Does this?
I have giveaway.
That's good, bro.
Or does this look good on
Green,
me?
it's not worth it. Look. Green, look. I can buy them. I want to get sticky cheese today.
What? I'm not even.
For some reason,
Oh my God! He's doing that. He's
Right there.
Tell me, what?
You're stinky.
your hands, you stinky.
Oh, this one look better. Or this one look better?
Yeah, that one looks better.
This one.
Yeah.
All day.
You cheese.
All day. I never watch.
But looks like nobody wants this.
Guys, I'm gonna count
I'm
how
gonna
many
be
golden
trading
revolvers
something
I have.
I only have 2.
Guys, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm scared, guys. Somebody.
Guys,
Like a green backpack. Anybody want to trade?
Guys,
Does anybody want to trade?
I have 8 golden
No, that's mine. Nah, everyone will come with this.
Yo, who wants to trade?
Okay, what's your name?
Do you want to trade? Want to trade? Yo, don't say swear word. Who wants to trade? Do you want to trade?
He stole my pickaxe and my grapple. Do you not drop?
Who wants to
I
trade?
was about to give you this.
Who wants to trade?
I was about to give you this. Here, give it me.
No, I don't care about it. I already have 3 of those.
You want to trade?
I got 10,000.
Take this grapple.
Do you want to trade?
Literally, someone grapple. He stole my grapple. And also my pickaxe. Now he's saying
Not
now
my
it's just
fault,
mine.
stupid.
Okay.
Bro, you have to
Nobody
get.
wants to
You
trade
have to
anymore.
get. You have to get.
let's try a different server. And I'm gonna get scammed probably. Let's hope not. Yo, does anybody want to trade?
Yeah,
Yo, does anybody want to trade?
Competition.
Does anybody want to trade?
To do a competition. Here's spawn suitcases.
Anybody? You?
Join my
Wanna
crew,
trade?
guys. Join my crew.
Okay, no PvP. Okay. Do you want to
Yo, do you want to
do a
trade?
competition?
Yeah,
sure.
Join my brother.
Yo, who
but I
said-
don't
who
think
said
he's
yes, you?
online.
Yeah.
You?
Who wants to do a competition?
Get somebody from Twitter.
Can we trade? Which one you like?
Oh, I got my brother.
So do you want to trade?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna add you. I'm going to a lobby.
Okay, Sen. Nah, I already traded him. I'm trading. If anyone wants,
Does anyone want to do a
Okay,
competition?
now go to a private.
I'm gonna join you. I'm gonna join you.
you. Just type any.
I got suitcases.
What? Wait, what's
Bro,
the
okay,
code?
join me then.
The code is POLO 1 2
Here we go.
3.
Come on, kid.
PLO.
Let's see if he's a scammer. Yo,
Oh yeah, okay. So let's start the trade. There's no one here, but okay, let's go.
so which one am I getting?
You could just choose. Yeah,
I guess the blue one.
okay, sure.
So we're gonna drop at the same time.
First, my speed is very low. Since my speed is very low, I'm gonna increase my size.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna drop it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Let's go, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks, bro.
I didn't meant to go to that portal. Like,
Oh no. He went. Oh no, bro. Yo, you good? Yo, what if he dies? He's not even big for that long. I think he might be screwed. I hope he's not. Oh, good, he left. Yeah, but that guy wasn't a scammer. I'm gonna trade this now. And I'm gonna cut to where I'm in a public. So, yeah, see you then. I am... Yeah. Yo, who wants to trade? Yo, anybody want to trade?
Yes, I do. I do.
Okay,
don't take my stuff on mine.
add me.
Yo, bro, I've got more stuff to trade. I've got more stuff to trade. What's
Okay.
what's your name?
Yo, I'm only gonna friend Eddie.
Bro,
Yo, go into a public. Go into a code.
Okay.
You? I didn't join, but yeah. Let's see if this guy's a scammer or not. Let's go. Yo? So what do you have to trade? Yo?
Hello?
Hello.
Oh. I can't hear you, sir.
What you got to trade?
Let me check what these are. This?
Sure. Alright, let's go over here. So on the count of 1, I guess we'll drop. 3, 2, 1, now. Yo. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
Bye, bro.
But
Bye.
dude.
Well,
For not scamming me, you can have something. Where is it?
I don't need anything.
This?
I'll take it, but I don't need it. Thanks.
But you're welcome. Thanks for not scamming me, because most people literally just scam you.
I'm not a scammer. But yeah.
Yeah.
Bye, dude.
Bye.
Wait, I don't need to join. So, none of them were scammers. So, the people of Animal Company are actually good. So please trade.